record it just so that somebody can look at it again later if you want to. Okay, so it says prepare a loan amortization schedule for the first 3 months of the following mortgage. Now, yesterday when I went through this, we did use the payment formula, okay? And the thing is, we don't need that now because they gave us how much their payment is right here, monthly payment. So they saved us a little bit of time on that. But the first thing that we're going to do for our first payment is we need to find I equals PRT. I know, isn't that pretty? Okay, so our first principal amount is how much? 280,000 times 0.07 times 1/12. The reason why we do the 1/12 is because we're looking at only 1 month. Okay? So what did you guys say it was? 0.33? Okay. So that's the amount we're going to put right here. Okay? So the amount of the principal that we paid is what we're going to take this away from our monthly payment. So it'll be 1862.00 minus 1633.33. And what does that end up being? 228.67. Okay, so the last thing that we need to find is the balance of the loan. So how much of our loan that we just paid was 228. So I'm going to take 280,000, subtract 228.67, and what did you get for the balance of the loan there? 279,771.33. Okay, so that's our new balance. Okay, now we've done month 1. We need to do month 2. So what am I going to use for my principal on month 2? Yeah, we're going to use this value right here. Okay, so it'll be 279.771.33 times 0.07 times 1/12 again. It's just that I equals PRT. So what did you get for that? Should be 1,600 something. What? 32. Point what?
Well, it's like 1,631.99.
Oh, okay. So 1,631.99. If you round it up, yeah. Okay, so 1631.99 goes there. Okay, now to find my principal payment, once again, I'm taking 1862.00 minus that interest payment. Okay, and what did you get for that? 230. Okay, if you round it. I'm just going to round it up. 230. Okay, so now I got to find my new balance, and I'm going to use that same number, 279,771.33 minus 230. And what did you get for that? What did you get for that?
279,771.
What?
I did. 279.
Okay, 279 what?
9,541.33.
Oh, I got 3 too, but it's the same thing.
Okay. That look right?
Absolutely.
All right, so I'm not going to bother going through the last one. You do the same thing again. You just repeat it, okay? Is that helpful, I hope?
Yes, very helpful.
Okay, so now let's look at number 2.
Wait, wait.
You have a question?
Why is it 1/12 again?
Because you're looking, the reason it's 1/12 for time is we're looking at 1 month of the year. T is how many years. So we're only looking at a portion of T.
Bless you.
So why?
Number 2, we're looking at a price of a home for $380,000, okay? And the bank requires a 10% down payment. So the first thing says, find the required down payment. You're just going to take 380,000, oops, 380,000 times 0.10, and then you end up with 38000. Okay, that's my down payment, right?
Yeah, nice.
Okay. Okay, so then it says find the amount of the mortgage. So we're going to take 380,000, subtract our down payment, which is 38,000. And what did you guys get for that?
Yeah, what they say.
342,000. Okay, so that's part B. Okay, C, it says how much must be paid for 1 point at closing? Remember that 1 point is 1%, okay? So we're going to take our total amount that we have on our loan, 342,000, times 0.01, okay? So you should have 3,420. That's how much cash you need at closing, okay? So those 3 calculations happen pretty fast. Now part D is a lot more to it. Okay? So let's look at part D. I'm going to move this up a little bit. Part D says find the total cost of interest over 25 years. All right, part D. Okay, so now we're going to do, for part D, we need to find our payment. So PMT. Beaker, be quiet. Okay, so let's see here. 342,000 times 0.1 over 12. Oh wait, you're right, 0.65.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I did that wrong. So 0.065. Okay, over 1 minus 1 plus.
Wait, isn't it just point? Oh, you're so right.
Wow, really?
Okay, and it's 25 years at 12 months. So 12 times 25 on the bottom. So what did you guys get for your monthly payment for that? I know somebody did it.
I did it wrong.
669.
Is that?
700.
Okay, so our payment was $2,309. Okay, so now that we have our payment, we need to find out how much our total payments were. So we're going to take $2,309 times 12 times 25. What'd you get for that?
692,700.
Okay, 692,700. Then we're going to subtract how much we got for the loan. Okay, so 342,000. And that is the amount of interest that we paid, okay? So what was that number?
350,700.
350,700.
Yeah, I can.
Okay? So that's part D. All right, so the real estate company borrowed $385,000 to develop some condos. It amortized the loan to pay a monthly for 4 years at 12% interest. So your PMT is going to be $385,000 times 0.12 over 12, all over 1 minus 1 plus 0.12 over 12, to the negative 12 times 4. 4 years. Okay? What did you guys get?
$10,138.53.
Okay. So that's $10,000 a month they have to pay. Okay? Now that sounds like a huge amount, but we're talking about a business right now. We're not talking about a private loan. Okay?